Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia T20, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the screen recording toggle, which for me is right here on the second page. Once you find it, you can tap on it. This will give you a couple options right here. So record audio, you have option for microphone, device, or both. So choose whichever one you want. I'm gonna go with device audio right here. And you also have option for showing touches on screen. So whenever you're swiping through the screen to go to the next page, or just tapping on some kind of application, that will be visible on a recording with a semi-transparent gray dot, which I'll enable just so you can see how it looks like. So let's select start. This will start a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and it's now recording. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded. As you can see, there's that semi-transparent gray dot, which you can see following my finger. You can open up apps in here, games, whatever you want. And once you're done with recording, you can pull down your notification panel, tap to stop, and there we go. The screen recording has been saved to your gallery. So you will want to navigate into library right here, and you'll have movies, and there is the screen recording. So anyway, that is how you would record a screen on this phone and, well, on the tablet. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.